Alright, heal, heal, heal. Alright, I got the truck. Doo-doo. Hopefully I can make it up there. Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Guys? Oh, crap!
Hey, we lost it.
Oh my god, that was hilarious.
Mr. Father, the people here thinks there should be more than one.
Hey, Press. We
Oh
really
my
need
God.
that fuel truck.
That's freaking funny. So... What, there's only 2 left? Alright, let's go grab this one.
Over there, an armored car.
What do I have here? Power tool, eh? Damn it. Oh god, there's a guy coming after me. Where's he coming? In there? Where is he? Oh yeah, sorry about your luck, buddy. Sorry about your luck. Where's this guy? Dude, stop moving so fast! Holy shit! Where is he? Son of a bitch. There we go. What? He's not even dead yet. Fuck. Damn it! Dude, seriously. Okay, that guy's just pissing me off. Alright, let's go grab the truck. Shit. Nice. Oh, really? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? What you got? Oh, shit. I don't want to destroy the... Oh, God. Really? Don't shoot the fuel! Nice. I don't like shooting in around this truck. Oh, damn it. What the fuck? Nice. Oh my god. Shit! There's freaking guys everywhere here. There we go. Oh my god. Got 10 rounds left. Freak. Let's go see what this guy has. Nice. Alright, we gotta take this guy out. Where is he? There we go. Anybody else have a weapon? There we go. Alright. So... I gotta drive the truck out here, so let's go clear out everybody else. What are these guys doing? Who the hell's down there? What's up, Haggard? Yes, I got him. I got him. Nice, Haggard. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go grab the other truck, man. Let's do it. Come on. Pair it up. Alright, here we go. Go, 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 go. Stone RPG me, please. Nice. Oh god. Got it!
Okay, guys, get the bird refueled and let's get her up in the air.
I'll do it, Sarge. We'll be out of here in no time. Well, don't get me wrong, I want to get out of here too, but where are we going exactly?
Not to worry, around next bend is beautiful Polyolova National Bridge. It's named for my mother.
A bridge? A bridge to where?
Oh, to Russia.
To Russia? We don't want to go to Russia.
I am devastated to inform you that there is no alternative unless we want to stay in the vicinity of my once loyal troops. Speaking of which...
Uh-oh.
Oh, shit! Here they come! Pack! Done!
What?
What the hell was that? What did you do to the chopper, Haggard?
What? Wasn't me! Honest! I was
Yeah,
filling
right.
up and it just blew! You
Right.
put the gas in there? That's the cooling unit! Oh! Well, these are not green gobbledygook!
Shut up, you two. Sweetwater, get this sorted. We're gonna hold this ground. Anything happens to the chopper, we're dead. Get to it!
I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
Cover me!
Damn, I gotta let this thing cool off.
I think I got it, guys!
You got it? You sure you got it?
Nope, sorry, still
Oh my
not
god.
working.
Doesn't sound like you got it, that's for sure.
More hostiles incoming!
Just a few more seconds! Few more seconds! We don't have a few more seconds! Do you really think you're the right person to nag at this point?
Over here!
Get out!
Come on, come on. What you want? Oh god, you come up the side. Oh shit.
Get out of here!
Shit.
Thanks, buddy!
No problem, man. Oh really? Trying to sneak up on us, huh?
Give me suppressive fire!
Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is.
Keep land!
There he is. Come on, what else?
Is that
Yeah.
it? That's what
I
your
think
army
so.
could manage?
Well, it's true the Shadaristan army is cowardly and badly trained, but over the years I have tried to compensate this with an excess of advanced hardware, as you can see.
Oh, god damn it, that's hostile armor! Sweetwater, you better quit dicking around.
But Sarge, I haven't had time to reset the...
I don't care. Let's go, now!
But if it's not working, then it's not... Shit, it's working! It's working!
Marlo, back to the chopper!
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good job, Sweetwater. Go, go, go. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Nice. We're out of here.
This is the border. We are leaving beautiful Shadaristan.
And this is where you're getting off.
For an exile, it is quite inadequate. I'm in need of further transportation.
Well, where we're going, you can't come.
Yeah? And where exactly are we going?
You've got a short memory, Sweetwater.
I know.
Gold, baby.
You're talking about the gold, but we don't know where they took it.
With all the mercs around here, I bet we can find out.
You are talking about the gold of treacherous legionnaire. I know where it is.
You know where it is?
Yes, of course. And I am sure we can come to some agreement.
Oh, yeah. You hear that, Sweet? Yeah. But I'd like to come to some agreement about the black chopper coming up behind us.
Oh, shit.
Marlo, turn her around.
Hang on.
Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Did it shoot us down? Tell me it didn't shoot us down. Oh, that's it! That's it! Alright, guys, I'm done. Another trophy, hold on. That wasn't very pretty, but hey. We did it!
Did you like this video? If you did, check out a couple of these here on the left on NGT Zombies. Spiderbite, Mewagon, and myself are playing a survival horror co-op game on PC called Killing Floor. Trying it out and seeing how we can do. On the right, Guns on the Gun Shop is in Ireland for his Gamers Abroad series, and, well, he's about to take a flight. So anyways, guys, be sure to click the corresponding thumbnails to watch the videos, and be sure to subscribe to NGT Zombies and the Gun Shop for more videos.